Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the green box, kind of mimicking the hood of a car. You know, with your designs on it or whatnot. You got mint condition in the corner at the bottom. On this side, you know, it's resembling the back of a car. You see Jet Life, you see the tail light, you see the emblem. Here's your side panels. You see you got Reebok. Switching to this side, got Cruiser Life, something like a grill, you know what I'm saying? Now what we have is the Curren y Reebok Question Jet Life. As you can see, question, mid, currency, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Now they put a lot of work into this box, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to mimic a lowrider. You know what I mean? Now opening the box, you got your Reebok sticker. And these here on the side, I'm not sure what it is, but it says 50420. You understand what I'm saying? Now on the paper, I'm thinking that this is something like a plant design on it, but I can't really tell, man. You know what I'm saying? So when you find out, let me know. So here it is, the Curren y Reebok Question Jet Life. Dope little sneaker, you know what I'm saying? Now, we had these for a minute, but when I looked at them today, I realized, man, I didn't even much do a review on these things yet, man. You know what I'm saying? So here we are. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. Now, what we have is you have a white base with some blue suede on the back. You have the stem green and the vital blue. You know what I'm saying? You got that iridescent toe box. On the bottom right here, you have the plant graphics. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it's a dope shoe, man. You see your hexalite or whatever it's called on the side. You got your tumbled leather all around the shoe. I think it's dope, man. You have your Jet Life down there at the bottom where it used to be a 3 for Allen Iverson. So you got your Jet Life on the bottom and the back, and you got your Jet Life on the tongue, off-centered, okay? You got your mesh going all the way down the tongue. Man, it's a dope shoe, man. It's nice, man. Especially once you consider the work that they done put into the shoe. I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. And there's a look at that suede on the back. My camera been tripping lately. It's not focusing like I expected it to, especially with all the money that's being paid on this thing. You understand what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said, I think it's a dope shoe, man. Here's a look at the tongue. You got Jet Life, but it's off-centered. It's over to the side a little bit. Again, my camera don't want focus, but we're gonna keep it moving. You understand what I'm saying? It's Saturday night. I'm ready to step out, have me a couple of drinks, man. So I wanted to put this footage up for y'all right quick, man. And it is what it is. On the other foot, see you got your Reebok tag on it. Everything else is the same, you know what I'm saying? There's a better look at the tumbled leather going all around. Hexalite, iridescent colors on the toe box. I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. So shout out to the homie Currency. You understand what I'm saying? It is what it is, you feel me? So let me know in the comments what y'all think about it, man. You feeling them? You not? You gonna pass? What it is. Now on the inside, you do have this design. I'm not sure what it is, but so there's a look at that mesh going all the way down the tongue. There's another look at the Jet Life. I mean, man, I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Nice, cool, laid back shoe. You understand what I'm saying? So, but one more thing. You know, Currency is proud of his weed smoking and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So, Reebok be trying to look out for him. You know what I'm saying? So, with this collabo, they added a little stash spot to the kicks, man. You know, you got your little zipper right here on the top. It's giving me some problems, but we're gonna get through it, man. You know what I'm saying? So they designed these to cater towards stashing your little weed, man, your drugs, your blunts, whatever it is, man. I mean, it is what it is, man. I'm not endorsing none of that, you understand what I'm saying? But hey, they put it in there, so I gotta tell you about it, man. It's nice, it goes deep all the way down the tongue too, man. So that's another look at it. I mean, it is what it is. Know what I'm saying? I think it's dope though. It's a nice little gimmick. I know his fans probably gonna love it. You know what I mean? So that was my look at the Reebok Currency Question, or the Currency Reebok Question Jet Life, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Fire little shoe. If you haven't noticed, you see the Jet Life ball in the back. You hear me? Representing like a real nigga supposed to. You understand? But yeah, man, that was my review of the Currency Reebok Question Jet Life. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel. Turn notifications on. Share this video, man, and I'ma holler back.